Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Twitch error 5000 content is not available error you're getting on your computer. So this is a fairly generic issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to jump into it. So what you want to do is open up whatever web browser you're experiencing the issue with. So let's say we're on Google Chrome here. What you want to do is just navigate over to the settings option of whatever web browser you're on. So in Google Chrome, just go up to the top right and select the three vertical dotted icon. Left click on it one time, and then go down and left click on More Tools, and then left click on Clear Browsing Data. So you don't have to select all these options here, but you want to make sure you select cookies and other site data. That's very important for this tutorial, as well as cached images and files. Once you're done with that, I would suggest selecting the time range, drop down to all time. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and left click on clear data. It will take a couple moments to run again, obviously depending on how much you have on your web browser. And once you're done with that, close out of here. Hopefully that's been able to resolve your problem. If you're still experiencing a problem, another thing you can try would be to open up the start menu. Just type in CMD into start menu search. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. And now in this elevated command line window, you want to go type in ipconfig space /flushdns, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, ipconfig space /flushdns. Hit enter on the keyboard one time. Should say successfully flushed to DNS resolver cache. We're just closing out of here, trying to open up Twitch again, and hopefully that's been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.